Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Happy Sunday, my beautiful people. Cook with us. Yeah. Siyagqibezela ukupheka. Otherwise, siqale ukupheka. Action. When I will dance for them now.
Yeah, I'll dance for you.
Why? Don't stand in front of the camera, Rosa. Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, guys and girls. I hope you are enjoying my vlog. I'm cooking on a Sunday during the day. I am at my kitchen with my last born son, Ulwandile. He is entertaining you guys. So enjoy the entertainment because he's full of life. He loves to dance, to rap, to kick and box. He's full of everything that I am. He's an entertainer, guys. He loves to be seen. He loves to stand in front of a camera, just like his mother. So, guys, enjoy while he's doing his thing. Come on, son, show them that we are like your mother. Show them, boy. Ever since the guys are fall pregnant with him, this boy is full of energy, Betana. He was kicking every second in my tummy. It's a Lusana. Every day he was moving. Eva, so swings kama mike. Nangoke ngaphandle, guys. Ungulo muntu full of energy. It's either he's playing game or playing football or riding a bicycle or he's always all over the place. So enjoy and watch my vlogs. Thank you, guys. Calm down now. Don't tell your business. Huh? Don't tell your business. Nature piece, Chamao should say one. Look, much of a Indon. Tomorrow, say, don't go. Great flavor. Was that? Something. Guys, we are cooking on a Sunday. We are cooking. I like that voice. We are cooking. And I'm already late. I'm cooking. You can go. I'm coming soon. Yeah, rice. I've already done Sham. Guys, Libel, I forgot about you. Ever? Libel and Sham. I forgot about my vlogs, guys. Hey, Libel and Like it was nearly death experience for me. It was a nearly death experience, but it's fine. This is my rice. And voila. Guys, the devil like on the phone. When it comes to love department, yesterday I wake up with breakfast on my bed, but at night time I nearly died. I don't even know because of that breakfast in bed now. But when it comes to love, being being in love or being loved, the enemy does not want that for me. If I'm being loved or if I'm opening my heart, there will be an attack after that. There will be an attack. If I am in love or I am being loved, I will be attacked. So, yeka umuntu womuntu ngeke. So ndiyayeka. Isengafa bafethu. But you know what? God is good. Thank you for chocolate forever. Mm. Good red. Red. This one. A red onion.
Red,
This is
red.
on fire today. Come on, man. What are you doing, Rango? What are you doing, Rango? Ice cream. Let's go down and go. I'm just spraying my rice. And it's pure much time. Almost everything pure much time. Much time. Fine china cups. And it's one's per span, much time. They've got good. Ladies, let go of things that you cannot control. Let's learn to let go, please. If it confuses you, it make you have a sleepless night, let go because out of your control. So let's let go things that we cannot control. Maybe if bomo uyazama jonga akuzameki, let go. Or kwenzeka izinto is beyond control yakho, let go and trust God. Or kuthethwa izinto ngawe ezi-false, let go. Because that thing is out of your control. If you will stress and stress and stress, you will stress yourself out. So let go things you cannot control ngumuntu. So that you can have a peace of mind. And so zeli sana, first time mhlaba pants, like the entire day. First time. I feel so sexy. Ngifake eyelashes sana yo. Zinenza ngibe feminine eyelash. Sengiqhanya nje kwakuma nsithi. Hey ba. Kwakuma nsithi. Abukulanga rage. Bukula umuntu ozithandayo.
Mama, hey, no, let's recreate that picture when we first got in this house.
That okay leya ngoba sifika kule ndlu isentsha. But it was you mihle ngondempilo nami. Baphuma.
Like, kuzumise ekhaya esikolweni.
Oh leya mnawe okanye ndibanga.
Leya mnabi.
Ukuyindlu yayisentsha sasifika apha. Hey, you still remember that day? Did you feel excited to have a new home?
This card, I didn't have this card. I had this card.
So did you feel hate that you were living in Woki? Isn't
Yeah.
Last time, I felt so happy when we received our new home. Guys, it was the best day of our lives. From shack into a mini house.
Into a mini house, into a mansion.
You see? From this mini house into a mini. Where's my knife? I'm craving cappuccino today.
Red.
For what? For danger. Henry Danger. Have you ever been choked until you see that you are going higher? Stop it! Have you ever been choked? Yo, I nearly died last night. Bullet.
Hold on. Did you say you're on your way? Why now? When you just went MIA. Message received. Oh, now you want me back. I know the procedure. Trying to come to my place. Turn around. It's too far away. Too far gone. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make sure the day you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or would you still want me if I didn't have it all? You could have had it with me, but instead you gave it up. Tell me, when is it gonna get through to you? Everybody needs somebody, but I can't be your boo. When they ask you questions about me, tell them how we could have gone places, but you were too impatient. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make sure the day you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me.
Guys, it was a short Sunday, but a productive one. Like I'm washing and then past 3 in the back. Which I'm proud of myself. So guys, umuntu ongaphangeliyo uyasebenza. Someone who is not working is working at home. Do not look down on us. We stand from 8 o'clock until 4 o'clock. Just like abantu abaphangelayo. As unemployed people, we are on our feet. By the time the kids go to school, we are on our feet. We clean the houses, we do washing, we do spring cleaning, we do everything. We cook. So I am working as well, but I'm working for my home. Don't judge us, say she's unemployed. No, I am employed in my own house because I'm standing until 6 or 4 o'clock. That bed, when I'm on my period, that's when I take a rest on my bed. When I have cramps and all that stuff. We are the hard workers. So big ups to you all who take care of your family members, who wash and cook and clean for them. Big ups to you, girl or man. Sometimes there are men who stayed at home. English there. Sometimes come out apheka cleanayo. So guys, don't look down on yourself. Unegalelo. You have a value at home. Your household, it is run by you. Who's in this movie? It's you. I'll play beef dog, it's you who notice. When there's no fish oil, it's you who notice. When there's no cups, it's you who, because you are at home 24/7. So we are doing a big job, guys. Don't look down on yourself. Ngabo ungaphangeli. Nashiya mna, bona kwami ubomi. I work more than them. Bona ungaphangeliyo. With a long face. Say that. Happy Sunday to me. I love you. Morning, guys. I've managed to shock off my life. Breakfast in bed. With my ex. What? It wash my hands. Kanti kunje phihla ne-ex yakho. Vuka nge-breakfast in bed. I thought we were exes. Now he's making me cough. Iziqhila ngeziweyi sivuswa nge-breakfast. Yabo ke le love language. That means my ex-husband is opening his heart. Guys, stay with your ex. Uzobona izinto. Opening the heart to be loving. Thank him, Shem. I'm lazy. You can eat the wrong toch? Sure. Okay. Is there second chance in life, guys? Let's watch and see. Wow. But ke on the wrong home. That's to show you care. I care about you. I appreciate your presence. Buya loo nto. Shem. Khathalele. 1 point for Mr. Zantu. Love is not about sex, guys. It's about showing uba uyakhathala and uyamva omnye umntu and nawe uyaphiliza imbilini yakho because you need to understand one another. Not uba beni koko, no. Deeper than that. Ndandilele ngempahla. I just dozed off last night ngempahla. I didn't even take out. I didn't even take out unantsikwe impahla. crossed. Oh, zwischen der Tieren. It's for dogs. Dog food. Bath a beach, my babies. Andikwazi ukuhlala endaweni emdaka. Amakhitshi andimosha. Look at my kitchen. Andimosha, Shem. I can't just sit. I need to do something. I really need love now. I really need love. Windy, 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 windy. I'm a glue, glue, glue. But windy, windy. Do you remember that air that tell? Windy, 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 windy. I'm a glue close. I don't know why it's like I don't get on old ads. One, I have ad no my don't know, but I see the windy, 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 windy. And it's pretty much China guys in biz. When I my kitchen. So melele sahleli. And my kitchen. Le bowl and pretty much China. Now frying pan and pretty much China. All things. Are this strong with shim? Now the chopping board and pretty much China. And this chopping board. Almost everything and in the kitchen and pretty much China in the pan. Windy, windy, windy. These are vodka pep and pure to shim. Windy, 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 windy. Chinese, they know the good stuff because in China they make everything is made in China, most and it. Kumnandi guys uvuka breakfast in bed. Yo, I didn't even expect Shem namhlanje. What happened? I was like, what? Mina ngidle kuse-early kangaka. Ngidle early. But no, thank you, sir. May you have a wonderful day for your kindness to the sister. Normally, down 12. I don't like to cook soon. Wind, people. Now I need to go back to bed. Today must day. It is my day for rest. I want to sleep the whole entire day. I'm going back to bed. I'm not gonna do shit today. Put this thing back. I don't even want to wipe the floor. I wipe the floor like years old. I mop my floors. I'm gonna mop twice today. Chinese. Everything made in China. I'm not all made in China. Living in Bash is all yo. But you know what? Today walk and yeah, shush. Come on, I can't even put on my pajamas. Can't put on my pajamas. Yeah. I want to watch movies. Watch movies in bed today. I don't feel like doing ish. Which one is Savan? Whew. Ezinja. Bethe bese benxa yezinja kule ndawo. Sihalwa ngecanda sana izinja zam. etheka festirini ngqondale woyazi windy 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 windy. Whew. Thank you guys for watching my morning. This vlog was not planned, it just happened. I had to capture that moment, of me being served breakfast in bed. I was like, so I had to capture. So I'm glad that I did. Now it's part of my vlogs. Well, I'm gonna vlog my life, guys. I'm not gonna die. I'm not vlogging for death, no. I'm vlogging for my memories. This I always twitch. I don't know why when I speak. And the vlog, I don't know why man is it. Yeah, this is for my memories because hey guys, thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoy my cooking day and my breakfast in bed video.